Now, with elected local government administrators settling down to governance in Lagos, there might yet to be need for more voter education to curb apathy in subsequent elections. This was the view of participants at the stakeholders post-election forum on the Lagos State local government polls. TVC News reporter Ola Awakon has the details.
This gathering is for stakeholders to assess the recently concluded local government elections in Lagos and seek the way forward in subsequent grassroots polls. Organizers of the forum said it was an avenue for the electorate to express their grievances on the conduct of the poll and also ensure elected officials meet the needs of the people by providing basic amenities.
Although we are reviewing the last elections, but we are reviewing it with a view to challenging these communities to take advantage of the fact that we have elected leaders, present your charters to them, and also begin a process of engagement so that all those problems you have identified in your communities, the problems of roads, the problem of water, the problem of schools, the problem of healthcare, they can attend to them.
Election observers highlighted voter apathy, lack of permanent voter cards to some electorate, inadequate voter education, influence on the Lagos State Independent Electoral Commission, among others, as problems that must be addressed.
A lot of people said they didn't really know what was happening, so there's a need for more voter education so that we can address the issue of voter apathy, And I think that I think this last year should be much more independent, the way the INEC is independent, so that there can be more trust.
Most of the people did not have their permanent voters card, which is a major problem. We need results. Without results, you cannot get to the level of collection of certificate of return. Give us results. As I speak to you, we approached LASEX on the 24th of July to collect a certified true copy of the results.
Special advisor to the Lagos State Governor on Communities and Communications, Kehinde Bamigbeton, emphasized that the process was free and fair as conducted by LASEC.
The elections were free, fair, access to all the polling booths in the state was guaranteed. The rights of people to vote who they wanted was protected, and to that extent, therefore, it did what it was meant to do.
The program was in furtherance of a series of citizens' engagement and capacity building programs under the Strengthening Citizens' Engagement in Electoral Process project implemented in 2014 by the International Press Center. Ola Awakon, TVC News, Lagos.